Okay, I got this comforter in beige. There's not a lot of contrast. As you can see, the dust ruffle is white. There is a white sheet also here, and then there's the shams. The shams are more like pillowcases. They're huge. The pillows that are inside them are extra firm and extra large, and they don't even close to fill up the shams. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to use them for. They are super soft. I typically sleep on a silk pillow, so I may end up trying the shams out for that. It is a beautiful color. My daughter is real picky. I'm getting this for a gift for her. It needed to be really, really lightweight. I also wanted it to be inexpensive because there was a good chance that we would end up just giving it away if it didn't work for her. She also does not sleep with a sheet, like a top sheet. She wants to be directly underneath the comforter, so it has to be light and it can't be scratchy. She actually slept in my bed last night and was like, I want one of these. Little does she know I already have it. Let's see. I did read some of the suggestions about what size to order, and I sized up. I ordered her a queen for her full bed, and it fits perfectly. And for myself, I ordered a California king for my king bed. I could have gone larger if there was such a thing, but there's not. So this is the dust ruffle and a duvet that I like to sleep with. It's jersey knit, so it's super soft. And then this is on top. But I mean, you can see on this side, it doesn't come down far enough, but at least it goes all the way from the top to the bottom. And this is with me kind of turning it around at a strange angle. It's not, if this was a California king, it would have gone the other direction, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So on this side, it does have a little, it goes down, you know, a little bit more on this side, but it almost covers it. But it's totally worth it. I mean, I couldn't believe, honestly, the price for what I was getting here and the quality of it. There were some, you know, strings kind of hanging off in different places, but I just cut what I could and then burned it with a lighter down so that it wouldn't fray. It was extremely wrinkled. It comes in a really tightly vacuum packed package. This is kind of how the whole entire thing looked. I ended up washing it. It says to only wash it in sorry, there goes my dog, to wash it in commercial washers. Obviously I don't have a commercial washer, so I put it in on delicate and waited for it to fill up, and then I kind of just washed it by hand. I put it in there and you know, put the detergent in and just kind of mushed it around with my hands to get it nice and wet. And then whenever I took it out, I put it in the dryer, and I didn't wait until it was completely dry. It says not to iron it at all. I did do some ironing on it, but I think it didn't have a bad effect because it was still pretty wet. So it was more like a steaming. Let's see. There were a little bit, I'm not sure if they're on here or not, they would be on this other side. There were some small, I don't know if they're stains or if they were, let's see if I can find any, just discolorations, or if it was something that I did. If all the soap didn't come out, if it could have been detergent or something like that. But this is what I mean by like little strings and whatnot. But I mean, it really, I was very, very impressed with the price. And this color is extremely neutral. I also have, this is like a hunter green quilt that I use, but I also have a jade one that I had on it before that I also loved. So anyhow, thumbs up, 5 stars. Have a good one.